Uh-oh, got Mom doing some work. Where's it at again?
Right here.
That's a blister?
That's a blister
Are you
mark.
sure?
It is.
That is a blister, ain't it?
Yes.
Well, we did. Mama's been doing some work. We got the big cooker out here. Walk up next to it and see how big it is. Is that a pot or what? No, show her what we're doing. Well, we had these sleeves on these vinyl shafts. We stick them in the pot. Stick them in the pot there. Let them heat up for a little while. And then pull them out of there. And we bring them over here and put them in this little jig I made here. Slide the aluminum shaft through it. And pull that down until we hit the vinyl sleeve. And then pull the sleeve off. One thing we were doing. And then we were disassembling some paddles that had broken shafts and crap like that and putting other ones on. So I got another little jig here that it's got some grooves in it to where you slide it in and you can pull and twist on it. See the little grooves down in there on each side. Whoops. On each side. There we go. Hold it. Hold it, and then these are, I made this little jig here in case I got to drill some of them out every now and then because I had two different paddle makers, you know. Anyway, slide that in there, swing that over there, drop that down in that hole, and I just took my drill apart because I was drilling some other shafts out, but this is how I do that. I got to go in about that deep. So I got a little piece of tape right there on the end of that shaft, tells me where to stop. And I put that in and I drill them out. And then this is where I straighten the shafts out. We've been doing a little of all of this tonight, ain't we? So slide that shaft in there like that, find out, you know, where it's bent, if it's bent anywhere. Stick it in there, and then got the edges rounded and beveled off a little bit. And I just lean into it with my leg, straighten it out. That's fixing to go. That paddle blade's fixing to go on that shaft. I got a little mark here that tells me when I get it far enough. That little black mark there. That's when I get it far enough. And just had to drill some of these out. See that one? I got it all the way out. Let's see this one here. I think I pushed it down in there. Yeah, you might be able to see it. Yeah, I drilled that other broken T-grip out, shoved it down in there. Anyway, we had a bunch of these. And then I take these and wrap them up, wrap some tape around them, and then I'm going to build something to melt them all with. I got a shit pot full of them over the years. And that's the ones we just got through fixing, getting them off my porch, getting them out of the way. There's some that are broken and cracked. That's got a little crack in it right there, so those are the ones we're throwing away. And those are some of the ones that we disassembled, and I'm waiting on next time I build paddles. I'll order shafts and T-grips and all that, put it together. Mom figured you might want to see what she's been up to. Say she does do a little bit of work every now and then, right? A little bit, is that what you call it? What are you, camera shy or something?
No.
You're not? Okay. We got a little job rocker Max out here.
Yeah.
Listening to some Cherokee spirit music. Playing a little flute and stuff, but I couldn't. As soon as I started recording, it shut off. So anyway. Oh, I forgot about this one. This is how we heat the paddle blades up. Here to get them off the shaft. That's a little 2-burner. Well, it's got two burners in there. And I built that little metal jig there to focus the flame. So I heat just the shaft part of the paddle up on both sides, back and forth, back and forth. Get this hot here, then take it over here and set it in here. Pop it in that shaft, bend it a little bit, and then we can pull and twist and pull it out of there. Anyway, we'll post this up on YouTube with a private link thing and let you check it out. Now there's a Cajun cooker right there, ain't it? Oh man, there's been tons and tons of crawfish cooked in that rascal. Tons and tons. And the strainer that goes in that's out there. When we rinsed it out, we just left it out there, put it all back. You can tell we've used a little bit of propane, huh? That's a high pressure regulator. Anyway, that's just an old Cajun cooker, you know. Got a couple of them. If you, anything got an orifice around here, something's gonna crawl up in that son of a bitch and stop it up. So ended up working on that one over there. Still got to do a little work on this one and that one. But anyway, I just got it far enough where we can start working and then quit. See you guys. Cheers. Happy Thanksgiving. Merry Christmas.